ganun.
Ay, naku naman.
Outfit ko po is Sarah G. Yes, pero
You look good.
yes, thank you so much. And your popsters here din.
Popsters! Tita Christy, thank you for being here. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang tahimik niyo. Of course, thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here. And of course, masayang-masaya po ako that I am still part of the Hyundai family. It's my pleasure to perform for all of you tonight and to celebrate your anniversary with you. Maraming salamat po. Happy anniversary, my Hyundai family. I am a proud endorser. So proud. And I'm honored to be part of a brand that represents progress and innovation. Kaya po ako'y talagang blessed to be part of this family. Thank you.
Ate Sara, of course, again, congratulations on being part again of the Hyundai family. And before we let you go, Ate, meron po tayong gifts from Hyundai. So we would like to now call on our president, Mr. Jiho Son, and our managing director, Mr. Cecil Capacete. Meron po silang token for you, Ate Sara.
Salamat!
Yes. Again, BGC, let's give it up for our pop star royalty, Sara Geronimo! There you go. Alright, let's have a quick photo off. Yeah. Again, one of our Hyundai brand ambassadors, pop star royalty, Sara Geronimo. Napakaganda, grabe talaga yung performance niya. Popstars, masaya ba kayo? Yes. I love it. Thank you so much, Mr. Jiho Son, and also Mr. Cecil Capacete. Ayan. Okay, one last, of course, short interview kay Ate Sara.
Yes.
Ate Sara, alam ko na yung favorite car mo is the Hyundai Staria.
Yes!
What is your favorite thing about it, Ate?
It's spacious, no? Very spacious and comfortable talaga yung interior niya. So ako po, medyo mahiling matulog. So every after an event, nakakatulog ako because it's really comfortable inside. At syempre, yung kanilang seat cooler and warmer, it's comforting at very useful. Di ba po? Minsan nga, nalilito na ako sa dami ng features eh.
Very smart technology talaga.
Very smart technology. And of course, the sound system is impressive. Social! Hindi ko masabi yung brand eh, pero ganda talaga. Top-notch quality sound system.
O, diba guys? Narinig niyo yun from the popstar royalty herself, Hyundai Staria.
Hyundai Staria. I love Hyundai Staria.
Okay. Once again, PGC, let's give it up for our popstar royalty, Sara Geronimo!
Thank you so much! Happy anniversary Hyundai! Thank you, Popstars. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Sara. The best. As in, starstruck talaga ako sa kanya. One of my